Hello friends, welcome back with me in my YouTube channel. In today's video I am gonna explain how to find Facebook friends on Instagram. In this tutorial I use Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Step 1. Tap to your profile picture at the bottom right. Step 2. Tap to see all at the Discover People. If this menu do not appear on your device you can check on the hamburger icon at the right corner. Step 3. Tap to connect to Facebook. Step 4. Tap to continue. Step 5. Tap to finish setup. Step 6. If you want to sync both of Facebook and Instagram, you can click sync now. Okay, if this tutorial worked for you, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you on the next video.